individually, sir. Bagong gising kasi ito, sir. Noong time na yun, sir. Medyo
Bagong?
gising siya noong time na yun.
Pero pwede rin na on his own, ginawa niya yan. We can make our own assumptions, pero kaya nga, imbestigahan ninyo, Rex Malimban. Sinong team leader ng police na yan? Baka yun ang nag-utos, sabihan mo. Laruin mo, kung inutusan niya yan, mas lalo nakakahiya tayo.
Yes, sir. Anyway, sir, as what RD Pro 11 have stated, sir, we do not justify yung kanyang action ba, sir? But it is individually, sir. Bagong gising kasi ito, sir. Noong time na yun, sir. Medyo
Bagong?
gising siya noong time na yun, nung nasipa.
Bagong gising daw po.
Nasipa, sir.
Justify bagong gising for that kind of action. Justify. Special action force tayo. Sap tayo.
Yes, sir.
Your Honor.
Justify na bagong gising. Porque bagong gising, gaganunin yung babae. Ay,
Your Honor.
nakakaya tayo. We are the elite. Di ba? Special action force. Pag sinabing kayong elite fighting unit ng Philippine National Police, you should be the elite also in terms of character. Kayo dapat ang pinaka-gentleman dyan. Kayo ang pinaka-disiplinado. And everybody is expecting you to act to be the elite people. Lalong-lalo na sa pag-uugali. Okay? Thank you.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Just two matters so we can move on. Can we request for the address, Your Honor? And can we ask both officers, point blank, Your Honor?
Give me the address. Give me the address. Anong address?
Sir, as of now, wala po akong hawak. I will just give him time, sir.
Basta address. Anyway,
Office niya.
address niya is Special Action Force.
Okay.
Saan ba kayo ngayon? Sa Santa Rosa o sa
Po, Santo Domingo, sir. Santa Rosa,
Santo Domingo,
Yes.
Santa Rosa,
Laguna.
Laguna?
Santo Domingo, Santa Rosa, Laguna. And just
Sa
one question,
headquarters.
Santa Rosa. Can you ask them point blank if Colonel Malimban ordered his man to pepper spray my client, or if not him, General Torre? Just point blank question, Your Honor.
I know Colonel Balimban.
Yeah, he's a good man. He seems to be a good man, Your Honor. But I would just like to ask-
Marawi hero ito. At hinahangaan ko itong opisyal na ito. I don't think utusan niya yung pusang alaws na, forgive me my word, yung corporal na yan na gagawin yon. Did you order that?
Definitely not, sir.
Definitely no, I'm sure. How about
Thank you.
your junior officers?
No, sir.
No. To continue with the investigation, ha?
Mr. Speaker,
Go ahead.
after the pepper spray incident, ano po ginawa ng ating commander po? Pinatawag niya ba? Lahat ba? Ni-remind niya na we have to protect the human rights. Bawal yan, blah, blah, blah. Ano pong ginawa po natin, sir?
Okay. Did it come to your attention?
Yes, sir. That's why, sir, actually before the operation, we reminded them to observe yung protocol natin, sir, yung use of force continuum. So it was relayed, sir, to them, and personally, sir, ako, sir, nag-conduct ng briefing, sir, sa kanila. Then after that, sir, he was placed in restrictive custody. That's why immediately pinabalik namin ito, sir, sa campus, sir, sa Tagum, sir. So doon, sir, na yung sa ngayon, sir, ongoing, sir, yung
So saan siya ngayon? Nasa Tagum?
Yes, sir.
Be sure. Follow up yung kaso niya. Nagkakahiya talaga. Ako, yung hiya ako sa ginawa niya.
Yes, sir.
I'm sure, ikaw rin, nahiya ka rin.
Yes.
Very treacherous. Sa likod pa, babae pa. Tapos, parang walang nangyari. Huwag sabihin nila, baka isipin ng mga tao, ganun na pala mga special action force ngayon. Taga-pepper spray ng babae. You are trained to fight hardcore terrorist. Not itong babae na nandoon lang nagsasalita, titirahin ng pepper spray. Please, do your share. Nakakahiya talaga yon.